Hi, my name is James, and I'm a librarian with UAB Libraries. Many UAB students, faculty, and staff ask, what is gray literature? Gray literature is defined as that which is produced on all levels of government, academics, business, and industry in print and electronic formats, but which is not controlled by commercial publishers. This statement comes from the 4th International Conference on Gray Literature in Washington, D.C., 1999. What this means practically is that gray literature is informative literature relevant to your research that is produced by anyone other than traditional academic publishers. Gray literature can look like conference proceedings, unpublished clinical trials, NGO white papers, NIH reports and statistics, theses and dissertations, professional association newsletters, and more. While gray literature does not come from traditional academic publishers, there are several library databases that have searchable gray literature. You can search for conference proceedings in several library databases, including PubMed, Embase, Scopus, IEEE Explorer, and more. Library databases also have searchable dissertations and theses. The primary database is ProQuest dissertations and theses, but other databases such as World Shakespeare Bibliography, PsycInfo, and RILM Abstracts of Music Literature have this content as well. For non-library resources for gray literature, UAB Libraries has a gray literature guide. The guide has links to many sites with gray literature, including clinical trials registries. Science.gov is a searchable portal for federally published gray literature. Additionally, Google Scholar can be a great source for searching for gray lit. Consider adding cite.gov or cite.org to help your search results. And for gray literature from association societies, try searching the websites for those groups. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, contact us or visit library.uab.edu to chat with a librarian.